Hi guys, just a quick video to show you how to get to your art assessment. If you will just go in, either in Aware or Forethought, either one, this test available button is what you're looking for, and it will only appear during the available test window, so it's only going to show up until September 7th. Um, and in Aware, it's more at the top left corner, just so you know, but you're going to click on this. From here on, it's exactly the same process, no matter whether you're in Aware or Forethought. You're going to click on District Assessments. You're going to click on Campus Benchmark. You're going to click on the name of the benchmark. And then you're just going to click the little box next to every one of your classes here, and you're going to click Print Answer Sheets. It's going to create, and I've done this a few times, but it's going to create one PDF with all of your answer documents in it. So the way that looks, it's kind of like this. I'm just hiding student information right now. The barcode on the bottom is important, so don't let the kids doodle on that or draw on that. But you'll just print this. You don't need to copy it or anything like that. Just print it and then give it to your kids to take the test on. And that's all there is. So best of luck to you, and I hope you have a wonderful school year.